guys, and welcome to the video. So today is a pretty dreary day out, as you can see. Just awesome and nasty, which kind of goes with how I'm feeling right now. So I'm having some kind of weird issue with the stang. It's been going on for a while now. I can't really pinpoint where it's coming from. It sounds like I'm gonna be honest, it sounds straight up like a knock, but it changes with temperature. I mean, maybe it's an exhaust leak, but last time I had an exhaust leak, it sounded like really high-pitched ticking. This definitely has a deeper thrum to it. But anyway, I just want to start the car real quick and show you guys what's going on, and then we'll get on to the rest of our day. I am taking it in this weekend, and with that, if it is just an exhaust leak, loose bolt or something like that, because the headers that are on are about just a year old now, maybe something loosened up, fingers crossed that's what it is. I don't know, we'll see. But if it's something super easy to fix, then maybe we'll break the motor when I get the boost turned up. So I'm planning on getting it turned up to about 8-9 pounds. That should put me at around 450-ish horsepower to the wheels, which would be super awesome. Right now we're sitting at 390, which is fast, it's nice, but if you have a turbo kit, might as well go for it. So let's go ahead and start this up, and I will show you what I'm talking about. So like right now it sounds decently normal. If you shut the door, there's just like a deep thump that's not usually there. I don't know, it's really hard. I can't really hear it right now. Again, it's temperature. When it's real cold out, you can definitely hear it. I'll see if I can get a cold start tomorrow morning. It drops in temperature a little bit. Let me show you also under the hood though. But like back here, it's like, it sounds like it's coming from back in here. I don't know, it's not normal. I hear obviously the injectors. Nothing comes from like any of these, like, I don't know, you can see the headers in there. So I'm thinking maybe something's loose back in there. I don't know, it just doesn't sound good. I'm really hoping it's something too crazy. Yeah, there you have it. Also hear it through the exhaust. So yeah, I don't really know what it is. Again, hoping maybe it's just some kind of exhaust leak that's going on, maybe a pipe is just slightly messed up. I really don't know. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, what I'm about to do right now, I'm headed out. It just started raining, which is going to be awesome. Favorite thing to drive in the Mustang, minus snow. Snow is even more favorite. But we're going to go ahead and I've been doing some reloading recently, so go ahead and reload some more bullets. Decided to do 1,000, a little bit much for a first endeavor, but here goes nothing. So again, as I said, what's going to happen first is I'm taking it to make sure that nothing gets messed up as far as like it's not an actual engine knock, no pistons or rods or anything. I really don't think it is, because these blocks and everything in here is rated for higher horsepower than that I'm pushing out. I'm pushing out around rated around 390 horsepower, 400 torque. I usually don't take it above like 5,500 RPM. So like, again, I don't see any reason why I'd have blown something up or anything, but again, I don't know. So it's been going on for a while. Like, I've been noticing it. At first I thought it was just because it was cold out. That's when it's super noticeable. But like the past, I don't know, maybe 2-3 weeks, it's starting to get a lot more noticeable. When we had snow a while ago, it was super noticeable. So like, again, I don't know what it is, but we'll see. Anywho, on top of that though, what I am looking forward to is, I'm really, again, hoping it's nothing too crazy, I am definitely going to get boost turned up. Like, the original kit that's in here, the Turbonetics 60mm turbo kit, was meant to have run around 8 pounds of boost. And with 8 pounds, you should be making around 460, 450 to the wheels or so, which would be awesome. That's like just slightly less than a GT500 from the same era. So, sweet. With that, probably gonna need a new clutch in the near future. It's whatever, it'll still be fun and worth it. Again, I know it's kind of ironic, you know, I'm worried about blowing up my car and then here I am about to add more power to it, but hey, it's whatever. Worst thing that happens is new motor. Like, it's a shell. The car is a shell, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Everything is replaceable, unless you total it. If you total it, then you're probably shot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the dyno video from when this car was originally dynoed. When that happened, I also had headers put on, and then I also had, yeah, it was headers, and then I had it tuned, because the original tune in this car was absolute trash. When I first bought it, like, in the mornings, jerk, bumpy, all sorts of nasty. So, went ahead and got it tuned up at Mid-Atlantic Performance, which they're it's a really good shop. The dude Mike up there runs it. I've not had much experience with him, minus the one time I was there, but he seems to know his stuff. He has a 2006 or 7 Mustang that he coyote swapped and runs on the track all the time. So I mean, he knows his stuff. Like, his main thing is, like, all he does is Mustangs, which, so I have confidence that he'll be able to figure out what the issue is. And I will keep you guys updated as always, because this is my, like, I love this car. This is my passion, so we'll see how it goes. Sometimes you just can't win. I was literally waiting to do a pull, and lo and behold, of course there's a cop right around the corner waiting. It's freaking ridiculous, and kinda sucks. Not often are you at a red light with no one in front of you but straight road. Well, it is what it is.